I am Miss White, and I am the black classroom teacher for first grade. This will be our classroom for the year. Please remember to bring a water bottle to school this year because all of the water fountains are shut off. Picture day will be on Thursday, and forms will be going home the first day, both for pictures and other things that parents will need to sign and return. You can feel free to call the Buchanan office if you have any questions for me before school starts. You do not need to label your supplies, just bring them with you on the first day. Let us know if you have any questions, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on Monday.